Hey everybody, how are you? Merry Christmas. It's Gregor Baird of Gregor Speaks. Nice to see you. Yeah, I'm actually posting it on Christmas Day. I have lots of time. It's the first time in several years I've been alone, so I'm making a little meal. Gonna get the vlog up. We'll talk about that in a second. And then I'm gonna have dinner probably later, something, and exercise. So grateful for everything in my life. So that's how I'm looking at it right now. So I hope you're having a great time. Family, friends, chosen family, whoever it may be. I hope it's a fantastic meal that you're having and everything else. So I wanted to come on here real quick because I want to take up too much time. This will be a little bit of a longer post. But I got back from Vegas on Tuesday from seeing the Wizard of Oz at the Sphere. And you know, when they drop the apples from the sky during the apple scene with Dorothy and the Scarecrow and everything, guess who got an apple? This one, I got an apple. I love this. It's on my desk. It's sitting right over here, so you can see. So had a great time. So what I wanted to share with you about Vegas, just so you know, if you're planning on going to see the Sphere, it's an amazing experience from the time you arrive and by the time you leave. My viewing was at 5 p.m. and they opened the doors at 4:15. I was very close at the very beginning, waiting, but they literally count down the time and they open the gates to have you go through at 4:15. It's an immersive experience when you walk in. There is stuff all over, and you'll see in the video that I'm going to post, there is things all over the place. I would suggest if you're buying any merch, get it before you go to the viewing. Now, you can buy those apples for $10 a piece. They don't sell them until after the show because in hopes that you may catch one. In which I did. I was in section 307, row 15, seat 6, just to let you know. Sections 305, 306, and 307 are really good. I would suggest maybe going down a little bit further than row 315, like maybe row 304, 302, 305-ish, something in there. But it was great, totally immersive. The scene when Dorothy gets caught up in the cyclone was amazing, and you'll see that on the clip I'm going to show. Some couple of things about Vegas. I'm not a fan of Vegas. Too crowded, a little dirty, very expensive. I didn't know I was going to incur a resort cost for the 2 days I was there at the Palazzo, which was beautiful. But for 2 days, I paid over $120 for 2 days. And I thought when I booked it, that was the total that I paid, and then I got hit with this other fee. So I wasn't happy about that. Not a lot of people in the casinos. Excuse me. Not a lot of people in the casinos. A lot of people walking the sidewalks. There was a lot of kids there. If I was a parent, I would never bring my child there unless you were just going to see the Wizard of Oz. I don't think it's a family place to take your children. And I saw more children than the last time I was there with a partner of mine in 2017. But from my conversations with a couple of people, there isn't a lot of people coming to Vegas anymore because of the costs, because of the resort fees, and also it's expensive. I will give you an example of this. I went to go get a Dunkin' Donuts coffee and a little sandwich, egg white wrap thing, turkey egg white wrap. And I was blown away when she told me it was going to be $22. Seriously. So I just went with a coffee, which was $7. So I couldn't believe it. I had to look twice. So you just got to be careful. There's a lot of, I ate at Gordon Ramsay's fish and chips. It was good. It wasn't fantastic. And that whole meal with a tip was $26. And the tip was just the guy taking my order at the counter. So, all right. So just be careful when you go to Vegas and you're checking everything out. That was my tips right now. But everybody said, well, it was a quick trip. Yeah, it was a quick trip because that's all I wanted to do. In and out, be back for the holidays. So there you go. So enjoy the video. Enjoy some of the pictures. I love the experience. It was fantastic. Let me know, subscribe, like, share, and comment. I'd like to know how you like the whole video and everything. And have a great Christmas. And I will talk to you next week. And New Year's Eve is coming up, so we'll see what's going to happen. So take care. I appreciate all of you watching. I appreciate all the support. Merry Christmas. Enjoy the video. Bye. Okay, are you ready for this?
Well, my little pretty, I can cause accidents too.